Okay, it's time to change the color of the Model 3 that we are giving away to one of you guys. In one of our last videos, the cosmetics video, we allowed you guys to choose in the comments, and then we did a poll on social media, on Facebook, Instagram, was it Twitter, and YouTube, and you guys got to choose the color. You guys will be able to find out as you watch this video, as we get to the actual install. So we are going to do a full crazy color change on this. We're taking the doors off, we're wrapping the inner doors, we're wrapping the door jambs. We're going crazy. Let's get to the disassembly and then to the install. Door number 1 is out and off. Glass door off. Whew. All right, got the car fully disassembled. Now it's time to reveal the color. You guys chose Gloss Sierra Green Metallic, and that is what we're doing. You guys are probably also wondering, like, why did you go so insane? Why did you take everything off? We got doors off, door hinges off, fenders off, bumpers. The whole car is pretty much disassembled. You could part it out at this point. Well, as you can see over here, we got the door. We're wrapping the inner doors. We're wrapping the door jambs because we're going from bright white to a darker metallic green. Pretty crazy change. And you'd be able to see a bunch of white behind everything if we didn't do this. So we're going with black, satin black door jambs. Inner doors are going the green. We got to color change the hinges and a bunch of other stuff. So we got a lot of work. I'm probably like 20 hours in already, and it's probably gonna be another 50. I'm a big boy. I don't need help. I'll just bitch about it later. It's only I care. That's what I said. Back to the decision, we're not painting the hinges. No. As a team to get it done before then, I don't think is realistic. Yeah. Because if we paint them, well, then they're stuck with black hinges if they want to go back to a white car, or they have to paint them.
That's a smart call. Good work.
Okay, just thought I'd let you know. That's what we're doing.
Yeah, bye.
Bye. It's the time of the month, man. There you go.
Like, nobody cares about the details.
Bumper's wrapped, got everything back on it. We're gonna try to put this on, hopefully not damage the fender wrap. Slow and careful, Tony. All right, guys, we're down to the last little bit here on this car, and we're gonna go ahead and ceramic coat it with all of our brand new ceramic coatings that are available at dryprotected.com. That will also get you entries to win this beauty. So we got our glass ceramic coating, our leather ceramic coating, and our paint and PPF ceramic coating. We're gonna go finish laying these on. I did start already, but we're gonna show you guys some of the finishing touches here. All right, we are finally finished with this full transformation. Car is fully wrapped in Arlon's Gloss Sierra Green Metallic, fully PPF'd in our Defense Plus Gloss PPF, and then fully ceramic coated, leather, glass, and the PPF, the wrap, the whole thing, is all ceramic coated in our ceramic coatings that you can get at dryprotected.com. Finally, after many hours of work this last week, I think I put in about 50-ish just by myself, if not more, and then Eric did probably another 12 to 15 on the PPF. So my part was just the wrap, Eric took care of the PPF, and then I did the ceramic coating. And I think it's worth it. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think of it. I think it turned out killer, and now one of you guys gets to win it.